So we're here with Yi, and you have the fastest, the best SoC for sports camera. Hello. So who are you?
Hi, I'm Xiang Da. I'm the CEO of Yi Technology. The one I'm holding right now is the 4K Plus action camera, which is the first 4K 60 frame action camera in the world. The first announced in the CES, but on this show we're going to also introduce to the European consumer.
So this is 60 frames per second.
The 4K 60 frame per second.
For a sports camera, that's amazing. This is using a new Umbrella chipset.
Yes, the new Umbrella chipset is H2. Used the 14 nanometer technology, and it has the dual core A53 ARM, which considered to be the fastest, the ARM CPU. So we use the best hardware technology here. And another very interesting feature is they can do the 4K EIS on the 4K 30 frame.
Electronic image stabilization.
Yes, EIS
at
image
60.
at 4K 30 frame.
At 30, you can do EIS.
Yes.
But you can also do stabilization with another product, right?
Yeah, you can also do a stabilization. If you really want to do a 60 frame stabilization, you can use the gimbal. So the gimbal right now here, they can control. You can take a video or picture, switch from picture to video, start the video, stop the video, change the exposure of the light, and change the control of the camera, and you can move the angle, and it has several different modes of the control. So it's really friendly to especially people who are making a professional video. So you can take a selfie video.
Is this 4K Plus here now?
No, this
Not
is
this one.
the one.
4K.
It's 4K.
But you can put 4K Plus here.
Yes.
And how's the optics? The quality of the optics?
Optics?
Yeah. How does it work? The lens? What do you use?
Yeah, the lens is a whole glass with a very advanced design that achieve the highest quality even on the peripheral of this wide angle. Not only in the center. Yeah, not only in the middle. On the side, it also very high resolution.
So what is the difference in quality between an action camera and a big camera, like a DSLR?
Okay.
What's the difference?
Okay, first of all, the action camera is for the small size. The size of the action camera is much smaller than the mirrorless or DSLR. On the other hand, the action camera has a much wider angle. Normally, it's over 150 degrees, which means that you can take a big shot easily, cover a very big scene. Another thing for action camera is you can go waterproof, using a waterproof case, go to the underwater. I think that's part of it. I think the size and the wearable kind of a possibility really make the action camera unique.
But what I wonder is in terms of the optics and the quality of the image and the depth of field, can you have bokeh effect? Autofocus here and there, or everything is in focus?
Everything is in focus.
So it's just a flat focus?
Yeah, it's a flat focus. I think that's one thing that the DSLR has the advantage, or the future action camera can do better on the focus, or even zooming or autofocus instead of a fixed lens. Right now, all of the action camera is fixed lens.
And Yi, you're very successful, a very popular brand, right? Where's your biggest market?
Our biggest markets in China and Southeast Asia, and starting this year 2017 we're going to be successful also in US and Europe.
And very affordable price, good price.
Yes,
for
always,
high performance.
Our mission is to make the best technology approachable and also affordable for everybody.
Nice. And all these have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth?
It's always Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and now it's always dual band Wi-Fi.
No Android. Makes no sense.
I think it's because all of our devices can power up in less than 1 second. Android can never do that.
But you can synchronize with your Android phone.
Yeah.
Control
we can
it with
do
the phone.
Both of this stuff can synchronize with the Android phone or the iPhone to do a live streaming. It's already been done.
4K 60 live streaming? 4K
Oh
60?
no, I see. The live streaming is on a 1080p. most because of the bandwidth.
Are you planning to do H2 CPU for a dual lens 360 camera?
We will see. I think a lot of things can happen this year.